Have to stop them. Have to be content creator.
Ready? You know how to do? I don't know what to do.
You have to talk to.
Right now I have to talk. For my video I film like this though. By the way, the video I make about this thing I film with camera like this.
Why?
I don't know, I just started filming like this in the attic and then all clips of the scooter are
No, I don't believe.
that way. Yes.
You can talk.
The thing is, I cannot get this one under the pressure. Back is working, but this is a new one, new pump, new cable down, and new brake block. You can do it with hold, open, close, hold, open, close, but it's not too much. You cannot get all the air out. So you can buy a different thing that you can put on there and then suck the air out, or you do it with something I saw on a forum with a vacuum cleaner and a cola bottle. So watch out for this stuff, because this oil is nasty stuff. This you need to. You gotta be careful not to get this oil out here. And then the trick is, I didn't. This is the first time I'm trying it, so I don't know what's gonna happen. Eye out on this. A little bit more. No, I don't need to. I think we don't need to hold it. Put on top of the nipple. This one goes on top of your air called. So it can suck the air out, and then you turn this on. Okay, let me try. It's not stuck here. You feel the suction. I don't know if this is supposed to happen. I think so. Lower. Okay, now we open the ventiel. Right. Let's see if this one. See it? Okay. Here I turned it off and tried the normal way to see what happened, but later on we didn't film it, but I turned the vacuum cleaner back on and then kept pumping like this. Open, hold the brake, open, close, pump 3 times, open, close, pump 3 times with the vacuum cleaner on, and it actually sucked all the air out, so that worked very good. Okay, this actually worked. So, vacuum cleaner. Collar bottle is flat, hose on the side, and do your air thing, and then it works. And the same thing, just do the same. Keep this one on, hold your brake, open, close, pump 3 times, open, close, pump 3 times, open, close, with a new handle and new brake and a new hose. This one will just suck the oil through, and yeah, we get pressure. Now it's here, connect for this one too. This one works right now. I'll do a couple more times and then good. So this is a very good idea. Saw this on some scooter forum somewhere. I think I already said this. Different carburetor. Bucking there. Front brake is working. Huh?
Bucking is a gasket.
Gasket, exhaust gasket, pasta, paste, liquid gasket, if I want to say it. I put my license plate on here. Looks quite solid, stuck, and yeah, front brake works. And we put 6.5 grams rolls in the Vario, from 7.5 to 6.5. So we'll see if it drives better right now. Let's see. We kick him and it stays on, so. Huh? It doesn't. And it sounds good, quite good too. Let me see. A little bit, I still have a little bit coming through. Even verrijden and then it can melt together. Nou, hij blijft wel goed lopen gewoon. Er niks aan te doen. Then it is the carburetor, and the other one was messed up. Nee. Nee. Hè? Ja, hij dipt niet meer terug, hè? Blijft gewoon maar de 1. Ja. Voorheen zat hij hier kut op de 0.
Dat is niet te veel benzine.
Ja.
De carburetor wasn't good enough.
Ik heb die lucht, die schroef, de stationair schroef, gewoon een beetje op gevoel. En die andere 1,5 dus. Ja, nice. Zag je net al bij elke bocht je poot aan de grond zetten?
Ja, het is allemaal een beetje.
Wel op de weg letten.
veel, hè, Gilera. Dat is ook niet leuk. Nou blijft hij het doen, hè?
Wel een verbetering.
Ja.
Maar nog steeds wel, je moet eigenlijk even een rondje rijden. Scooter in the kitchen. So driving yesterday, after driving yesterday, I pulled out the bougie from the cylinder, and it was quite black, as you can see in the photo here. It's way too black, so that means that the sproeier is too big and the fuel, too much fuel. So 62, sproeier 62 was inside, and right now I have, it might be too small, 53 in there. This is second time kicking. The first time it went right away. Here, one time, and actually just the stationary screw was all the way in before, and now it's not. So this is clearly an improvement. Alright, let's see what it does when we drive with it. At this point I was just messing around with different nozzle sizes in the carburetor, the sproeiers. The strange thing is that the sproeier size was too small, so it didn't get enough fuel, but the bougie still turned out black after driving. And normally the bougies should turn out white color more. If it gets too much fuel, if the sproeier, the nozzle size is too big, so it gets too much fuel, then the bougie turns out black. But meiste here, it still turned out black even though the nozzle was too small, the sproeier was too small. So kind of confusing, but then we went up with sproeier size from to 64 and 66 in it right now, and with 66 it drives very good. Here I bought this little set here, and maybe with 68 it will work too. I might try that later. Yesterday I've been messing around with the sproeiers in the carburetor, and I thought I had to go smaller all the time, but because in the beginning it drove good, and then when you go higher speed it was like and cannot do full gas, and the bougie was black, so we thought, hey, why is it? Thought we had to go smaller, but yeah, sproeier 62 it drove a bit and not too good. 64 drove better, and now it has sproeier number 66 in the carburetor, and it drives really good. I've been to the mall, to the grocery store. I went to my mom. Yeah, it pulls through really good. Only some problem with the blink light at the front. Sometimes it works and then sometimes it doesn't work. But overall, I'm gonna wait till it cools down right now, and then I might change this hose too, because it's not cooling. But yeah, fuel in there. I will wait for it to cool down and then check what color the bougie is this time, because I drove quite far with it. And it's a bit greasy at the bottom there, but the color is quite good. Quite good. Brown, like, yeah. So yeah, I think this is the end of this video. It's finished. It's drivable. I put insurance on it, and it drives really good right now, so I'm happy. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you have any questions about building a DNA or how to do anything, I will try to answer. So yeah, thanks for watching. There's Michelle in the window there. Hello, Michelle. Hello. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Drive safe and see you in the next one.